Ryan Johnson. I teach welding at St. Croix Regional Tech Center. So this is a typical setup of our stick welding booths. There's 9 of these. So every student has their own workspace, their own tools. This is our wire feeder setup. This is where we do our flux core. This machine will also do some TIG work. Here, these are our grinding booths. This is where all the grinding takes place. Down here, this is our newest addition to the shop. This is our new plasma cutter. We also have our hardwire MIG gun. We got the oxy fuel setup. We got a couple different torches. This is our iron worker. This is just a hydraulic press used to punch holes, shear flat stock. Over here is a bandsaw. This is where I cut all the plates. Some of the things we do here, some stick welding, some oxy fuel cutting, some MIG welding. We also use flux core and TIG process. This lab is set up similar to an industry lab or shop. We have new equipment. We're always trying to update to stay with industry standards so that students that are in this program can transfer right into the field. At the end of the student's time in here, they will end up going to Bangor, taking an AWS test and getting the chance to get certified. Some other activities that we do in this shop, we do some cutting, we do some live work where we bring in outside work from different organizations around the community, try to get a little community service in that way. We built hand railings before. We built a box grader for another teacher here a couple years ago. So in my program, I teach more than just welding. I try to teach the soft skills that make students employable. I like to show them how to work safely in an environment like this. A lot of these skills students can take with them, whether it's in the welding field or if it's a different trade. A lot of these skills will overlap. I like doing live work. Students get a hands-on feel for something that they would normally do out in the field. I will let students bring projects in. This gives kids a chance to be a little creative, come up with their own stuff. The way I run this, it's pretty individualized so that you can move at your own pace, and pretty much the sky's the limit at that point. In my program, the one thing that you get to do here that you don't get to do anywhere else is play with fire and play with some sparks and not get in trouble for it.